That money gun is because this is another money method, okay? Start to finish, I'm gonna show you how to make money online. Talking to actors? Really? Why? Why talk to actors? Well, I'm gonna show you. And the reason is because actors, I'm gonna show you a website where there are 400,000 actors, very specific audience here. 400,000 actors, and actors, they need a side income because they have very unsteady work. Acting is just a very unsteady profession. There are booms and there are busts. An actor may make a lot of money, but generally speaking, they're looking for work. And they need something to do that's flexible because in between casting calls and auditions and the way the industry works, the money's just so unsteady. So I'm going to show you how you can make money offering them a way to get rid of the unsteadiness of work and make a real side income using the internet, using this method where we'll both be making money together, and you can do this any country in the world, no matter what age you are, and get paid via PayPal or bank or check or whatever. So stay tuned. This is going to be fun. And let's watch this method and hit a like if you know this is gonna be good. Let's get into it. Can't find any work, okay? You're not harassing them, you're offering them a wake-up call. You're offering them another opportunity to make money using the internet. And everybody wants to be able to work at home using the internet. And if we do have any actors in the house, I'm sorry, I make jokes. Let me know if you're an actor in the house. Say actor. We're not gonna harass you, this is YouTube. Say actor, let me know where you're from, and let's get into it. And tell me if anything I'm saying is wrong. If you're an actor, call me out. Tell me if I'm totally off or if I'm not. I mean, obviously some actors get like series, but those ones are like pretty well set. I don't think they're hanging out on these acting sites anymore. Now, the site we're gonna use is called backstage.com, okay? And the way we're gonna do this, the way this model works is we are actually going to, first we're gonna sign up for an affiliate network, then we're gonna sign up for Backstage, okay? So sign up for Backstage, and then we are going to send actors messages. That's how this whole thing works. So affiliate networks are gonna give us links to products or services that we can promote. And the one I'm gonna use for our example, and I'm gonna give you templates for, is my own product, which is called the Super Affiliate System. Now, if you don't know this about me, I love teaching. I teach marketing. I teach how to create internet businesses through marketing. Exciting, okay? I get excited about marketing. If you get excited about doing marketing every day that you wake up, type in excited down below because this excites me. I like finding those weird little loopholes in the system where I can get my links out and start making some money. It's like a video game to me. And when you take that frame of reference in life about anything you do for work and you have fun with it, then you're gonna make a lot of money. Then we're gonna sign up for Backstage, and then we're gonna send messages, and I'm gonna give you the templates for those messages. First off, there's two networks I recommend that you can sign up for. The first is ClickBank. The second is Digistore. And in both of these affiliate networks, you can go to the marketplace, okay? There's a link called Marketplace, and you can find my product simply by searching my name. So here I am clicking the Marketplace link in ClickBank, and we would go in here and we'd search my name, and we will find my product. And as you see, you will make roughly $500 commission selling my product. Now, my training course is $1,000. Very reasonable price. I've created a lot more successful money makers than any college program has that costs way more, okay? This is the best marketing training you will ever find anywhere, period. Hands down, buddy. So let's get into this. Get my link on ClickBank, click promote, you scroll down, generate hop link, click that. On Digistore, you go to the marketplace and you copy the link right there. And you'll have to be logged in so you can get the correct link. So now where do my affiliate links take people? Well, they take them to a free training where they can learn how to create a six-figure side income online. And what we're doing to sell this training is actually a sales presentation. It's a free sales presentation that people can attend. And when people attend it, some people give $1,000 to go on further with the training. Now, the presentation is built to get people to move forward that way. It's one of the top selling products on the internet. We pay out millions of dollars to our affiliates every single year. So make sure, check it out. And with this also, it's great to market to people who are looking for a side income, and actors are looking for ways to make money on the side. So you have an audience of 400,000 people who are dying for a way to steady their income and then make money on the side. So you have a very hot audience right there at your fingertips, and you're messaging them through the actual message platform that they look for new job opportunities from, new ways to make money from. So it's a really neat fit because they're on Backstage looking for messages for ways they can make money. And here you are coming in with a message to help these actors with their unsteady incomes make more money. It's like a match made in heaven. You're like an angel, okay? Let's get into this. So, you angel, we're gonna take our link right here and we are going to copy, this is my ClickBank link. I'm gonna copy it into a notepad and I'm actually gonna take this and I'm gonna shorten it because I actually want to make my link a little more beautiful, right? Powerful, recognizable links. I'm going to bit.ly.com and I'm going down here and I'm gonna shorten my link and I'm gonna click shorten. Now, if bit.ly doesn't work to shorten ClickBank links anymore, you can always use other link shorteners. You'll copy this link, click copy, and here we go. So here's our short link. In order to get my message templates, I will share a link in the description or in the comments. It's called johncrestani.com/resource, just like you see right here, that you can go to in order to get my message templates. But I've created 2 message templates for you. One is a direct message template and one is a indirect message template. Now, what's the difference between an indirect message template and a direct message template? Let me illustrate. Now, the advantage of using the direct message template where you have your affiliate link in every message is that you reach more people. Okay, so this is a plus. But the disadvantage is that you have a higher chance of having it go to spam. On certain platforms, they will disable your account, which doesn't matter because social media is whack and you should be socializing in person anyways. I actually encourage people to get rid of their social media accounts, but if you're using it for making money, that's great. But you have more of a chance of going to spam if you insert your link in every message you send out, but more people see your link generally. Whereas with an indirect message template, you're actually sending a message, and if the person responds to you, then you send them your affiliate link. Now, in this case, you have less of a chance of going to spam, which is a good thing, but you don't get as many people seeing your affiliate links. But there is one added plus to this method is you get higher quality buyers. So you have a higher quality and you have a higher conversion rate because people have interacted with you more than once. They think you're a real person if you're responding rather than just blasting out messages. And that is a very powerful method. And that's why I always recommend the indirect method overall. The other advantage of the direct method, which I didn't mention, was that it takes less time. You just set and forget. You send 100 messages, then you don't have to do any responding, right? So it takes less time. Now, here we are on the direct message template, which just says, hey, I saw you wanted to make extra income doing a profession, link. And this is the indirect, which says, hey, let me know if you're interested in a free training. And then you'd send them a message. So it would look kind of like this. Hey, I saw you were looking to add a little extra income to being an actor. And I actually encourage you to misspell things and mispunctuate and misuse grammar because most people don't use proper grammar, spelling, or punctuation in messages. And then you would say, okay, check out this training. It helped me a lot. Where it says link, you would just replace the link with your own link, okay? So this would be the message you send out. This is the direct message. Now, the indirect message would look a little bit like this. Hey, I saw you were looking to add a little extra income to being an actor. If you'd like, I can send you the training. Let me know. When they say yes, you would just send them your link. That's how it works. That's the method. So that's all there is to it. It's really not complicated. And why this method works is because you're bridging the gap between a very specific profession and you're calling it out and you're messaging them on their platform. And you're messaging them on a platform that they all use to find job opportunities. You see, they're excited. They have their notifications on their phone. They have their email. They accept the emails from Backstage. They get text messages when they get a message because they have them all enabled because they're looking for people to contact them through these specific platforms that they use. This is how they get job opportunities, and you're coming at them with a job opportunity-ish sort of thing, and that's why it works. And it's very effective. I can't message all 400,000 people myself, but you can message some of them. Figure out which are the best ones to message. Figure out a system, sending out lots of messages a day. Sign up for this site, and you can make a lot of money. Backstage.com. Looking forward to you being successful using this method. Use the resources, and let's make some money together. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. If you're gonna take action, type in action taker in the comments below, and let's do this.